Nutricula, Smart Expert.
Yes!
Nutricula. If you're into trading and know about MetaTrader, you must have heard of the miraculous expert Nutricula. Helping MetaTrader mature, Nutricula is a comprehensive tool that can be installed on MetaTrader 4 or 5. Amazing, isn't it? Apart from its attractive interface, in Nutricula, every line is placed with only one click. For example, we place an order here and set its stop loss and take profit as simple as that. Is this all Nutricula can do? Of course not! In Nutricula, you can place multiple take profits to save the profit partially and also set multiple stop losses to reduce the risk. In fact, partial profit or partial loss, which can be single or double, are lines that when the price touches them, instead of the entire position, only half or 1/3 of its volume will be closed. The next bar is used to place the break-even line. When the price touches the yellow line called break-even, the stop loss will automatically move to the entry point and your position will be risk-free. Also, with the help of this last bar, you can place a trail stop line that after the price reaches it, the stop loss starts moving behind the price in a specific distance and deposits the maximum possible profit into your account. By the way, Nutricula supports two different methods of trail stop. The direct method, which moves the stop loss constantly behind the price, and the swing method, that as soon as a new swing is formed, transfers the stop loss automatically behind this new swing. Wonderful! But that's not all. Can you believe that you can place all these horizontal and static lines as dynamic trend lines? How about a trendy order? Let's place its stop loss like this and its take profit with this angle. Cool, isn't it? Besides, Nutricula sends a notification on your phone whenever one of your lines is triggered. This way, you can implement the complete plan that's on your mind at the beginning and leave everything to Nutricula. This powerful expert keeps you away from the human feelings that modern trade psychology strongly advises avoiding. Nutricula lines up its troops to protect your capital. That's not all. With Nutricula, you can forget about your calculator and instead of wasting your time determining the volumes of your orders, just specify a percentage of your capital you're willing to put at risk and have Nutricula calculate the volume. What? Because you're a scalper, you don't have the time to set SL and TP for all your too many positions? Well, Nutricula supports bracket orders too. With the bracket order, you can set default values for all the lines we talked about. After that, whenever a position is opened, its SL, TP, and the other lines will be automatically placed too. By the way, have you ever been hesitant in choosing between a limit order and a stop order and unsure which one is better? Things are different in Nutricula. OCO, or one cancels the other, is an order with two lines, limit and stop. The thing about OCO is that when the price touches one of these lines, the other one is deleted automatically. This way, if the price doesn't reach your limit order, your stop order won't leave you empty-handed. Yet, if the price does reach your limit order, the position will be opened with a better price and your stop order will be removed. Have you ever suffered any loss due to the false breakout of trends or floors and ceilings of channels? Would you like to have an order that instead of getting triggered by the current price, can ignore shadows and take the position only when the current candle is closed on the other side of your order? Well, Nutricula supports this too. Would you like to have an order that works only in normal conditions and does not trigger at the time of economic news when the market spread is high? Nutricula lets you specify the maximum allowed spread for your orders to operate. This expert provides you with whatever you need. So, trade with Nutricula however you wish. There are many other things. For example, have you ever been suspicious of your broker? Have you seen that sometimes, right after the price touches your stop loss and your position is closed with a loss, the price starts moving in your intended direction and deprives you of all your deserved profit? Although a reputable broker never does such things, between you and me, some brokers might play such tricks because they know where your stop loss is. Nutricula has a solution for this too. With Nutricula, you can hide your order, stop loss, and take profit from the broker if you want. So the broker cannot know where exactly they are. What else do you want? By the way, have you seen this bracket at the top that shows the chart scale in pips or dollars? For example, it now says that the size of this bracket is 30 pips, and based on the volume we have set, this much movement of the price is worth $45. You can also find the remaining time until the current candle is closed down here. Besides, Nutricula provides you with a complete visual trade statement. It takes a snapshot of your every position automatically and stores it on your computer with different pieces of information, such as its closing cause and the amount of profit or loss. Nutricula also shows the major trading sessions beautifully on the chart and highlights the candles inside each of them. These are only some features of Nutricula. It offers many customization features such as Nutricula coloring and selecting the dark or light themes, placing various horizontal and trendy alerts, setting the slippage of orders, averaging positions and placing a single stop loss and a single take profit for all of them, placing a bidirectional order consisting of a buy and sell order of which only one will be triggered, and presenting a beautiful alternative to MetaTrader's terminal for observing the position's profit and loss and many other things. So, check out the Nutricula's website at www.nutriculaexpert.com. On the website, there is a comprehensive introduction video explaining all Nutricula features, along with the installation and usage guide to this expert. You can find the answers to your probable questions on the Frequently Asked Questions page. Our colleagues in the Nutricula customer service are online and ready to answer any questions or ambiguities via the email address, Telegram ID, or WhatsApp number listed on the website. Trading is hard enough. Let's not make it harder with inefficient tools. Nutricula. Trade like a pro.